Hello everyone, Just from Metalchaos Studio here. In this video I will show you how I paint timbers and wooden doors on Tabletop World model. As you can see, I'm still working on the couching in from Tabletop World, so I'll paint a few timber and a door on this model. The technique I will describe are simple and can also be used to paint any other wooden surfaces. The model was already primed with Vallejo black spray primer, and I also did a zenithal priming with Vallejo Panzer Gray spray paint and another lighter gray color. You can look at my other video on painting gray stone walls for more information about zenithal priming. In this example, I will use Ripper Master Series paints as well as Citadel Agrax Earthshade. Alright, let's paint. The first thing I do is cover the surface with a muddy brown base coat. If your paint is too thick, you can dilute it with water. I apply the same base coat color on the door. When painting a textured surface, the best way to get the paint everywhere would be to follow the orientation of the texture. Like in my example, I follow the fiber of the wood. At this point, you may wish to add brown liner between some of the planks. And in the deeper cracks or knots of the wood, I do the same thing on the timbers. Even if I had shade afterwards, I just want to make sure those areas will be shaded. And this will help create more contrast. When the paint is dry, I apply Citadel Earthshade all over the wooden surface. Then when the shade is dry, I do a brown sand dry brushing. I use the side of the brush and follow the wood fiber, parallel to the textures. Then a tan highlight dry brushing. At this point, you may wish to call it done. For my example, I will go a little farther. I will add tan leather to give the door a little more color. Then a very light creamy ivory, where the light touches the wood at the edge of the timbers. And at the center of the door. To create weather effect, I do a light Highland moss dry brushing at the base of the wood and in some places on the timber where water drains from the roof. You can do the same at the base of each timbers. Then I do a very light pale lichen dry brushing. If you enjoyed this short video, give it a like and subscribe. In my next video, I'll show you how I paint plaster on Tabletop World's model. Keep on painting and take care!